Turn the steering wheel to the atomized and lowest position. This makes it convenient to disassemble the instrument panel. Take out our dismantling tools. Insert the second to last hole on both sides. Hook the bracket inside and gently pull it. The heads of the two hooks are facing each other. Be careful to take out the original car instrument. Unplug the original car wiring harness. Remove the two mounting brackets. Remove the two plugs of the original car harness. Connect our plugs to the original car wiring harness. Install the original car mounting bracket onto our instrument. Connect our wires. HUD box is optional. Only applicable to models with HUD function in the original car. Fix the HUD box in the installation slot with double-sided tape. Thread the USB cable out of the lower part of the installation slot. Easy to upgrade and use in the future. Connect original wires. When installing our instrument, pay attention to aligning it with the bottom buckle. Perfect installed.